In today's class, we will discuss the topic machine tools in metalworking operations. In the realm of metalworking, machine tools stand as indispensable assets, seamlessly blending versatility with precision. These tools are instrumental in shaping and manipulating metals to meet diverse industrial requirements. Here, we delve into the significance of 5 fundamental machine tools that form the backbone of various metalworking tasks. 1. Shaping machine. The shaping machine plays a prominent role in metal shaping operations. It involves the removal of material to create flat surfaces or intricate contours. By using a single point cutting tool, this machine imparts form and structure to metal components, allowing for the precision shaping of workpieces. 2. Planing machine. Equally crucial is the planing machine, which offers a horizontal table where the workpiece is securely attached. Employing a single point cutting tool, this machine moves the workpiece back and forth to generate a variety of grooves and surfaces. 3. Milling machine. The milling machine emerges as a powerhouse in metal machining. A circular tool featuring multiple cutting edges, known as a milling cutter, rotates to cut into solid materials. This tool comes in both horizontal and vertical orientations, providing a wide spectrum of capabilities, from simple slot cutting to intricate contouring and die sinking. 4. Grinding machine. When precision is paramount, the grinding machine takes the forefront. This tool employs an abrasive wheel to meticulously remove material from a workpiece, ensuring the creation of smooth and accurately finished surfaces. From surface grinding to cylindrical grinding, it caters to a spectrum of metal finishing requirements. 5. The drill press. In the realm of hole production, the drill press is the go-to machine tool. It involves a rotating spindle holding a drill, which is fed into the workpiece, typically clamped on a table. The drill press stands out for its ability to produce precise holes in hard substances, with adjustable spindle speeds and automatic feeding mechanisms for enhanced control. 6. The lathe machine. Last but certainly not least, the lathe machine holds the title of the father of all machine tools. This versatile tool excels at holding and turning materials against a cutting tool, producing cylindrical products or parts. These tools, from shaping to lathe, form metalworking's core, blending precision and adaptability in modern industry. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.